Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify compound A, ethanol, C2H5O, reacts with PCl5. In this reaction, the O group of ethanol is replaced by Cl, giving A is equal to C2H5Cl, chlorothane ethyl chloride, along with POCl3 and HCl as byproducts. This is a standard nucleophilic substitution where PCl5 replaces the hydroxyl group with chlorine. Moving on to the next step. Identify compound B. A, C2H5Cl, reacts with dry Ag2O. Dry Ag2O acts as a mild base and promotes the Williamson-type ether synthesis. 2 moles of C2H5Cl react with Ag2O to C2H5Cl plus Ag2O C2H5O C2H5 diethyl ether plus 2 AgCl. The major product B is diethyl ether, C2H5O C2H5, and AgCl is precipitated. Moving on to the next step. Verify against options. Option A states A is equal to C2H5Cl and B is equal to C2H5O C2H5, which matches both steps perfectly. And for the final step, why other options fail? Option B suggests A is equal to C2H4, ethylene, which would require elimination rather than substitution with PCl5, not the primary reaction. Option C and D suggest A is equal to C2H6, ethane, which is not formed from ethanol plus PCl5 under normal conditions. These are incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.